It is going down. We got the freaking nature right here to my left versus Pressure P right here to my right. Ladies and gentlemen, it's money on the wood. It is all good. I'm not putting no specifics, but this money is up on the wood and it is all good. So one time, let's get it. Hey, right here to the right, the dark skin in the black trunks with the white gloves. We got Pressure P. And right here to my left, in the white trunk, in the silver trunks with the white boots, we got the freak of nature. This shit so real, I don't even want to get in between it. You feel me? This shit started on live. This been going on podcasts. They been trolling each other. I done seen one of these niggas pull up on the other nigga in his hood, say, but it's real right now. But we finna settle this shit right now. 4 gloves, 2 men, what we gonna do? You motherfucker, yeah. Let's get it going. So we here, one time. If you here representing Pressure P, let me hear you make some noise. If you here representing the freak of nature, let me hear you make some noise. There's a whole lot of gang shit going down. It's a whole lot of gang shit. Play some gang shit, nigga. There's a whole lot of gang shit going down right now. Hey, alright, Pressure P, freak of nature. Let's go. We got 3 rounds of some high intensity. Let's do it. Ready? Let's do it.
Stop playing with me, Phil! Stop playing with me, bro! I'm Pressure, Phil! I'm Pressure, bro! I'm Pressure, I do this shit, man. Come on, bro. Come on, bro. What I say, man? What I say? What I say, bro? What I say, bro?